My name is Jennifer Novak, and I'm going to talk to you about adding different types of classwork into your class. So you start off by going to your class, and then you go up to where it says classwork, and you click on that. And then if you want to create an assignment, you go to Create, and you click on Assignment. What I really like about adding assignments in Google Classrooms is that you can add any kind of assignment that you would like. You can add a link to a document that you have created. You can add anything from your Google Drive. You can add a YouTube video, or you can add a link to a website that you would like the students to go to. So, for example, if I wanted to add a YouTube video, I click on this box that has a little play button that looks like the YouTube symbol. And it will pop up, and you can search whatever you want to teach the students about at that time. For example, if I want to teach about adjectives, I would search adjectives. And it comes up with all the different videos along with a description of the video. And you can choose any one. So let's just add adjectives for kids. You click on it and you click Add. And it will go in, and then you can give it a title. And you can give instructions. Maybe you want the students to watch all of the video. Maybe you want them to only watch part of the video. That's kind of up to you. So that's how you add a YouTube video. You could also add a website link. You would just copy and paste whatever website you would want them to go to. For example, if I want them to go to ABC Yeah, I would add the link to that in there. And then in the instructions, I would tell them what game or what level I would want them to play on. So that's how you add different types of assignments from different areas into your Google Classroom. Thanks.